Hi, I'm Zuba, and today I'm going to give a lecture on dark reaction. Today we will discuss what is dark reaction. Actually, dark reaction is the second stage of photosynthesis in which the products that are formed in the light reaction are utilized to form the final product, which is glucose. So, the dark reaction is also called Calvin cycle or C3 pathway. So in this process, carbon dioxide is turned into glucose using energy from ATP and NADH, which are made during the light reaction. So if the dark reaction is actually consists of three stages. The first one is carbon fixation, and the second one is reduction and regeneration. So we will discuss all three stages in this lecture. So during during the phase one, in which is the carbon fixation. CO2 is captured from the atmosphere, and Rubisco enzyme. This is the Rubisco enzyme which helps to attach the CO2 to Rubisco. Ribulose by bisphosphate. This is ribulose by bisphosphate and form 3-PGA 3-phosphoglycerate. This is 3-PGA. We also call 3-PGA or 3-phosphoglycerate. This is a product, 3 carbon product. So this is the carbon fixation phase. In the second phase is called reduction, in which ATP and NADH form the light reaction, convert 3-PGA into G3P, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. This is ATP and this is NADH, and both are formed in light reaction. Light reaction. So both are used to form G3P, means glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. So when this product form, and then it moves, some G3P molecule exit the cycle to form glucose. Means here the glucose is formed. Means glucose actually is actually the final product of photosynthesis. Some G3P is formed glucose, and while remaining G3P is recycled to regenerate IUBP. This product. And what is this product? This product is actually ribulose biphosphate. It has two phosphate. That's why we call it ribulose biphosphate. And remaining G3P is recycled to form this product. So ATP, and during the regeneration, ATP is also used. You can see ATP is converted into ATPs. I mean, ATP is consumed in this process. So if we talk about summarize the dark reaction, the location of the C3 pathway is actually a stroma. It occurs in the stroma of chloroplast. The energy source are ATP and NADPH from light reaction, and the key enzyme that are utilized in dark reaction is Ribisco. Which enzyme we use? This enzyme is Ribisco. I will mention here. Ribisco is an enzyme this is the key enzyme that is used in the dark reaction. And the next one is, and the carbon source is CO2. So that comes from atmosphere. And the final product is glucose. So these are the factors that are used in the dark reaction. So today, this is our lecture. So we will discuss the C4 pathway in the next lecture. Thank you very much.